Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction, opinion itong post ng SMNI News Online. Breaking news. Nakatakdang mag-convene ang Senado bilang impeachment court sa araw ng Lunes, Mayo 18. Ito ay matapos matanggap ang articles of impeachment laban kay VP Sara Duterte nitong Miyerkules, Mayo 13. So yung kagabi, yung nagkaputukan, hinihintay ng mga senador yung pagdating ng taga-kamara para i-transmit formally, officially, ang articles of impeachment. Ngayon, natanggap na ng Senado at ito, sa Lunes, mag-convene na ang impeachment court, matutuloy na ang bloodbath. Ito, press conference ni Senator Cayetano.
I'm not saying there will be. I want to be clear. I'm not saying, I'm not accusing anyone of delays. I'm saying it won't come from the majority kasi nag-meeting kami kagabi. We are happy with the former rules. Yung ano yung good na rules kay sa mga dating na-impeach ko din sa akin ngayon. So, kaya lang, hindi ko matatanggal yung karapatan ng bawat senador na tumayo. Ang problema matitila yung papaguhin pa yung rules. Kasi ipapublish yun. But from the majority, that's why it's a letter. I just wanted to be safe. Sinabi ko doon on Monday, for the soonest time for court. If everyone agrees on the rule, I do not see any reason why hindi kami makapag-convene sa Monday. So ano mangyayari pag nag-convene? Kasi may motion to convene. Ako na mag-host as presiding officer of the impeachment court and then yung 23 na senador. After that, our job is to issue the summons. Okay? And then from that time on, pag sumunod natin, na-under na yung process. I'll read you more about the process later on. And probably kung hindi Monday or Tuesday, we will have a focus para yung calendar. So the biggest issue for me is the balancing between the legislative and the work, given the mga crisis na umarap. Kung maganda tako na ekonomiya and we don't need any urgent legislation, pwedeng mag-90-95% sa impeachment court. Unless nga sabihin ng mga senador, pwede pa rin bilisan na lang. But you know, madaling sa yung sarili mo lang inasahan mo, bawa alam bilisan mo kapag punta ng Senate, alam bilisan mo yung sulat, that's under my control more or less. But when you say it's a trial, you cannot stop both sides from presenting the number of witnesses na gusto nilang sabihin. So madaling sabihin bilisan at madaling sabihin to finish like this month or that month, but all of those will be approximation. So, any question? And issue the summons eventually.
Yung for yung trial, yung trial proper po ay after all the cases were seen.
Yeah. Susundin mo lang yung number of days. So walang delay. Basta nasa rules, basta nasa constitution.
Trial proper may i-issue, certain trial proper July.
I don't want to preempt the calendar. But if it's 15 days, so we will follow. Actually, what we're doing now after the meeting, let's see, we're gonna make a draft calendar. So the calendar will not be based on anything that is discretionary, it will be based on objectivity. So kung nakalagay sa rules, ganitong number of days para sumagot, this number of days sumagot, then trial na agad.
So kaya ang sagot, FE doon sa sinabi na yung pagpapalit ng liderato ng Senado ay para mag-block trial.
Again, I'm trying to get the United Senate. Unprecedented yung attack against the Senate. First through Monday na hinabol sa loob ng Senate ang isang senador. Pinulpi ang isang member ng usahan. And then last night, the armed attack on the Senate President. Diba? So, I'm trying to unite the Senate. Senators are people by just simply following the law. The Constitution, our rules, and what is right. After matay lahat, walang nito ko yung Bible, yung Constitution. Everything else follows. Even the Constitution for me has to follow the Bible. Having said that, we will follow. So walang magiging delay. I can tell you anything now as you ask me na kailan yung trial. So if I have the trial July, August, any delay.
Offhand lang is for you, trial mo ba ay dapat araw-araw Monday to Friday or every ko ulit offhand for you?
Either Monday to Wednesday or Monday to Thursday. Definitely, I have the Friday as a motion day. So, and the question for me, the bigger question to me is it Monday to Wednesday full day? Okay. And then Thursday may committee hearings, or is it Monday to Thursday?
Sabi ng NBA
Yan.
agent,
I'm not saying there will be. I want to.
So yan, klaro ha. Sa Lunes, magko-convene na ang impeachment court. Manunumpa na ang presiding officer. After that, manunong pa rin yung 23 senator judges. Yung impeachment rules na na-apply nung una. Yung mga naunang era TG Corona, hindi na daw babaguhin para wala nang delay. So, dito mo makikita na paninira yung mga nagsasabi na iba dahil kaya daw nagkudita, nagpalit ng liderato para hindi na matuloy ang impeachment trial. Kabaliktaran. Gustong maapura ng bagong Senate leadership forthwith, simula kaagad sa Lunes. Kasi nga, kagabi, natanggap na yung articles of impeachment. So, Huwebes, Biyernes, 2 araw lang, Lunes, simula na. Dito na. Sa wakas, bloodbath na. Kasi nga, summon. Kung sa Lunes, na-convene ang court. Following day, summon. Sumagot ang magkabilang panig, prosecution, yung Kamara at kay VP Sara. After na nakasagot sila sa mga summon, umpisa na. Kaya mga June, simula na ng trial at ito na, bloodbath. Masasaksihan na natin. After more than 1 year na pag-iintay, finally, magsimula na ang bloodbath. VP Sara. Siguradong panalo. Tapos na ang boxing. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa channel nito.